G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this episode of Investment Look Back, we are taking a look at the Lego Palace Cinema. Let's talk about it. Rightio, so this is what the set looks like. Set number 10232 has 2,194 pieces and is called the Lego Palace Cinema, which is obviously part of the Lego Modulars range. Now, we're going to go over to Brickset and we're going to just take a look at when this set come out and when this set did retire. Now, I did manage to pick up 6 of these before they retired. Okie doke. So it did release on March 2013, as you can see here, I've just highlighted, and it did retire at the end of December of 2017. So that's how long it was out for, kind of about the average for how long the modulars are out for. Now in Australia, this set did retail for $200, and in the US, I believe it was $150. Now I did pick up all 6 of these for 20% off, which was around $160. This was on discount at Myer at the time when they had kind of the mid-year sales and their end-of-year sales. Now, I did pick majority of these up kind of Q3, Q4 of 2017, so that way I didn't have to hold on to them for as long when they before they did retire and started to go up in value. So as I said, I paid $160 each. Now let's have a look and see how much this set is currently worth in today's market, not adjusting for like inflation and all that type of stuff. That's just too much to go through. But anyway, so I paid $160. Let's go and see how much it is currently worth. So on Bricklink, it is selling just here in the average price for $431. Then we can look at the current items for sale. The average is $648, but we're not looking at that because they haven't been sold. So 431 is the number we are going to currently look at. And if we go to eBay as well, this is eBay. This is just what is listed. So we're going to change this to sold items, which if you scroll down to the left, you'll see that one sold for $455. That was brand new and sealed. $415, that was a bidding one. Another bidding for $415. You got another one here for $461. One sold for $579. One sold for $550. One sold for $569. Another $451 here. So they're kind of another $580. So a bit all over the shop. You can say the highest $580, lowest $415. We can kind of meet in the middle and we'll say kind of around that $510 mark that you would be able to consistently probably get on eBay. You know, you can always usually get a little bit more, so I'd be listing mine kind of around that $550 mark. So let's just say we sold it for $550 on eBay. Now you have to obviously adjust for eBay fees, which is about 15%. So if we sold it for $550 times 15%, that is $82.50, and we'll obviously subtract that $82.50, which gives us $467 profit you would end up with after you sold it on eBay. And on Bricklink, it was about that $431. So there is about a $30 difference. Also, Bricklink do have 3% fees themselves, and if it goes through PayPal, there is another 3%. So $431 if you sold it on Bricklink. $431 times 6%, we'll say. We'll just say 26, round it up. So 431 minus 26, 405. So you can say that's kind of on the lower end how much you'd get back, 405 from Bricklink, and on the kind of the higher end on eBay you'd get around that 467-ish mark. So anywhere between that ballpark will be where you're aiming for as the current value. So let's just take it in the middle and say about $430 profit in our after fees and stuff would be in our pocket. Now 430. Now, before we go into checking the ROI and that type of stuff, I just want to have a look at the minifigures in this set. So we've got 6 in here, which we've got the chauffeur, which is item appears in one set, which means it is exclusive to this set, and this minifig sells for about $6. So this minifig is not really a main one that is driving the value of this set. The next one is another one that is the child star, which is exclusive to the set, which sells for about $4. We've got the cinema worker, which is another exclusive, which sells for about $8. Then we've got the female guest, which appears in this set only, which sells for about $5.60. We've got the male guest, another exclusive, which is $3.80. And the final one, which is the photographer, which is another exclusive, which sells for about $6. So it doesn't really have any standout minifigs, not really any of the modulars do, but the modulars are just a standout theme in themselves. And the thing I love about this set as well is the fact that it is a corner modular. Majority of the modulars are kind of the street view, so you can attach a modular to the either left or right side. Obviously, you can attach modulars either side of this one, but it will create that corner for your city as well. So I do tend to prefer the corner modulars over just the front on street view ones. So that is what is pretty special about this set. Now we're going to go to the ROI calculator now and see how much profit I've made, how long it's taken to get to that point on the Palace Cinema. So we invested $160 and we said that after fees and such, we're going to sell it for about $430. We purchased this set around October time of, we'll just say October 1st, and we said of 2017. That was just a couple months before the set retired. And we are in June, I'll just put June 1st of 2022, calculate. And we can see that from the time that I bought it to if I was to sell it now, profit of about $270, which is a return on investment of 168%, which is an average over the 4.6 years this set has been retired for, of 23.75% average per year. Now that was the Palace Cinema. Again, set number 10232. So if you were to purchase that set back before it retired for $160 Australian, you got that 20% discount. You're looking at about 170% return on investment. But anyway, that was an investment look back on the Lego Palace Cinema. If you guys did enjoy the video, please smash the like button. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.